How are you? I am fine. Thank you. How are you? I am fine. Thank you. What's your name? My name is John. What's your name? My name is John. Where are you from? I am from India. Where are you from? I am from India. What do you do? I am a teacher. What do you do? I am a teacher. How old are you? I am 25 years old. How old are you? I am 25 years old. What time is it? It's 9 o'clock. What time is it? It's 9 o'clock. Where do you live? I live in Gujarat. Where do you live? I live in Gujarat. Can you help me? Yes, of course. Can you help me? Yes, of course. What are you doing? I am studying English. What are you doing? I am studying English. Have you eaten? No, not yet. Have you eaten? No, not yet. Do you like coffee? Yes, I do. Do you like coffee? Yes, I do. Where are you going? I'm going to work. Where are you going? I'm going to work. What did you do yesterday? I stayed at home. What did you do yesterday? I stayed at home. What's the weather like? It's sunny today. What's the weather like? It's sunny today. Can I sit here? Yes, you can. Can I sit here? Yes, you can. What would you like to eat? I did like pizza. What would you like to eat? I would like pizza. When will you come? I will come tomorrow. When will you come? I will come tomorrow. Are you busy? Yes, a little. Are you busy? Yes, a little. See you later. See you. Have a nice day. See you later. See you. Have a nice day. Learn more English. Subscribe now.